Hello, friends. Good day. Welcome once more to my channel. I'm your one and true host, Guruji. Today, I'm teaching you guys how you can sell up your X Empire coin token and maximize very much high profit ratio. Selling your X Empire coin token at a high value can be quite the game for you if you know when and how and what time to trade on this token. Just like every other cryptocurrency, the price of X Empire can fluctuate quickly. But however, following these few steps I'm going to give to you and strategies can help you maximize how to make and prevent cost. For you to prevent not to make mistake that will fail you and other traders, just like every other cryptocurrencies, the price of X Empire can fluctuate quickly. It will fluctuate quickly. But however, following these few steps and strategies can help you maximize your return and prevent cost mistakes. So let me give you a possible breakdown on how to sell your X Empire coin token for the very best value possible. Firstly, do not rush to sell as soon as the trade starts. Price of token will definitely decline. It is factual that the price of token will definitely decline this very first hour of listing. It's common to see quick decline. It's very common to see quick decline on coins, but rather do not hastily make those move on to rush and sell off your coin. Be patient. Watch how the values move. Wait for the upward trend. There's always the upward trend. Like I said, as soon as they are being listed to the SEC market, the first few hours we are going to experience some decline. Watch, don't feel threatened and sell off when you start seeing those decline. Wait and watch for the trend that goes up, and when that trends happen, you can as well sell off your value at that point. Wait for the upward trend and do not panic at all. Do not hold onto your coins for too long. This is a new one. Do not hold onto your coin for too long. For when if you hold onto your coins for too long, you may miss up the right windows to sell off your coin. Wait for some little while. In fact, you should wait for, let's presume, a week, because X Empire is giving up a portfolio that they have given a very high value of coin to their affiliate members, that those that would hold onto their coins for a long time would get to receive more X Empire token from all of their affiliates. So the affiliates will be giving out free coins to people that are still holding onto X Empire coin token. So I think you should hold onto your coin for at least one more week. You do not want to rush and sell your coins. There's a situation where you wait and wait and wait, thinking that the price would actually go up, and the price end up plumbing down. So at least wait for a week. Wait for at least 1 week, and let's see what value would add up to you. Definitely after that down plumb, within the first few hours, we are going to experience some upturn. So let's just wait for a long time and see how the upturn would add value to the coin. So X Empire token, as you know, it requires a mix of patience for you to accumulate very good value to your X Empire token. It requires a mix of patience. Quick action won't be necessary. Do not rush and sell your coin. Wait for a solid strategy. Wait for a growth, then you can sell off your coin. Do not let greed or fear dictate your mind and work in a way that will not actually works for you. So work with your strategy. Follow up the guide I have given you from the up breakdown. Follow up that theory. Do not rush and sell your coin. Wait for a short while. As soon as it gives you a very good upturn, that tells that the coin has gained ground. You can either hold it more further, or you can sell up your coin. So if you do these few steps, and surely I believe it will pay off good yields for you.